we are able to understand the complex and systemic risks that are surrounding us. And this means that we know where we are headed if we do not change course. And we are on an unsustainable pathway. We know the effects that climate change will bring. We know that we use more of the Earth's resources than Earth can regenerate. We may know less of the effect of the loss of biodiversity, but we can only assume that this is serious as well. And the cost of inaction will be higher than the cost of action. However, if we succeed in looking at these global risks through the lenses of opportunities, these can also be truly exciting times. And I firmly believe that we, as a society, and the greatest risk that we face right now is by not seeing the opportunities that are inherent in the transition to a safe and sustainable future. And limiting ourselves by looking only at the risks to the lifestyles and business that we know of today will definitely cloud our vision. This year marks two important events. The Sustainability Development Goals will be published and hopefully embraced from all corners of the world. And the COP21 in Paris in December will hopefully lead to commitments to reduce emission of greenhouse gases to stay within the 2-degree scenario. In DNV GL, we believe that business must be part of creating the solutions, together with government, academia, and civil society. And business is increasingly being accepted as a vital part of creating solutions. Also, many companies and business leaders all over the world are embracing the concept of sustainable development and growing their business in line herewith. And growth and sustainability need not be in conflict. In fact, we've seen sustainability drives growth through opportunities for innovation, cost efficiency, and risk management. But leaders and companies must be purpose-driven and openly state which purpose their company plays in serving the communities and citizens in which it operates and in which it makes its profits. And only when this purpose is aligned with the long-term interest of the community will the company have a long and prosperous future. And in order to get there, we need to break the link between the pursuit of human ambition and the depletion of natural environment. We need to reinvent growth and create a growth model that is fit for the 21st century. But I believe that first we need to shift to a new strategic mindset, a mindset that can transform the risk that we know of into opportunities. Which is why we, together with the UN Global Compact and the Monday Morning Global Institute, have initiated the Global Opportunity Report. The very first edition of the report was launched in Zurich in January earlier this year, with the support of Dr. Kachauri and Terry. And with this report, we and our partners wish to replace the concern instilled by risk with a confidence inspired by opportunities. The Global Opportunity Report offers an ambitious contribution to this, a guide to global opportunities for building a safe and sustainable future, a navigation system for global change makers, enabling us to move faster and safer towards solutions in a complex, fragile, and uncertain environment. And we believe that this guide is urgently needed. And for us at DNV GL, the Global Opportunity Report demonstrates our vision of having a global impact for a safe and sustainable future. And it certainly adds inspiration for our own people, our customers, and stakeholders. So Winston Churchill once said, "A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty." So let's be optimists. Let's join forces on a journey towards a new strategic mindset of opportunities, open innovation, and co-creation. Thank you very much for your attention.